In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tickets in Zoho Desk efficiently. Whether you're handling customer queries, addressing complaints, or simply organizing your support tickets, merging is a crucial skill that helps you streamline workflows and reduces redundancies. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you feel confident handling this task. Let's start with your Zoho Desk dashboard, the central hub for managing your customer interactions. Navigating this space smoothly is crucial, since it's from here that you'll find and process the tickets. So, once you're comfortably settled in your dashboard view, the next thing you want to do is to identify the tickets you need to merge. It's important to note that merging should be approached with careful consideration to ensure no vital information is lost in the process. Once you've identified the relevant tickets, the next move is to select them. You'll usually find this option by clicking directly on the tickets you want to consolidate. As you click, they should be marked or highlighted, indicating they're ready to be merged. If you're ever unsure which tickets should be merged, consider those that are duplicates or relate to the same issue. This choice ensures that the conversation remains coherent and in one streamlined ticket, which can then be managed more effectively. With your ticket selected, the next action is to click on the Merge button. The Merge feature in Zoho Desk is designed to simplify the process, blending multiple tickets into one. Now, clicking Merge transports you to a new window, which I like to call the Merge Confirmation window. Here, Zoho Desk provides you with a chance to review the details of the tickets you've selected, just as a last-minute check to ensure everything is in order before finalizing your merge decision. Once everything checks out, go ahead and click Merge again. Zoho Desk gives one last prompt, a failsafe if you will, asking for confirmation with a simple message. Are you sure you want to merge these tickets? This step is a crucial safeguard, reminding us to be sure of our choice, ensuring that we're ready to proceed with consolidating these tickets into one. Now, to wrap up the merging process, confirm your decision by clicking on Yes, Merge. And with that, you've successfully merged your tickets. Everything related to those previous tickets now resides under one ticket number, making it much easier to manage and track. Using this method regularly helps maintain an organized and effective support system, preventing any details from falling through the cracks and improving the overall response time to customer inquiries. Practicing this simple yet effective strategy means greater efficiency both for you as a team member and for your organization as a whole. So go ahead and try it out, and remember, a little time spent organizing can save a lot of time later.